Hello and welcome to Daily AI Brief, your go-to podcast for the latest innovations and challenges in artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into groundbreaking developments from leading tech giants like Microsoft and Google, exploring the AI-driven transformations in cybersecurity, and shedding light on the critical governance issues that AI faces today. Whether you're a developer, engineer, or just an AI enthusiast, we've got insightful discussions lined up for you. Let's get started. Microsoft has announced the launch of Foundry, an all-encompassing AI development platform. Unveiled in November 2024, Foundry aims to unify diverse AI services for developers and business enterprises. This platform integrates over 11,000 AI models, including collaborations with OpenAI and Cohere, and represents a strategic evolution from the previous Azure AI Studio. In straightforward terms, Foundry provides a platform as a service, PaaS, that brings together an array of models, agents, and tools under one umbrella. Developers benefit from built-in enterprise-level capabilities such as monitoring, evaluation features, and highly customizable setup configurations. It also includes a unified management console, now embodied in the rebranded Azure AI Studio. Integration with Agent 365 allows for enhanced multi-agent orchestration and governance, making it an attractive solution for enterprises headlined by generative AI applications. The numbers are quite impressive. Over 11,000 models at your disposal, a complete integration with Agent 365, and an environment unified for effective AI application development. These elements bolster Microsoft's position in the fiercely competitive AI development landscape, especially up against the likes of AWS and Google Cloud. However, there are trade-offs and challenges. While integration with existing corporate systems presents potential hurdles, the novelty of Foundry may require a significant shift for teams accustomed to legacy systems. Developers also face the ongoing challenge of customizing complex tasks within this new framework. Notably, the shift to a unified platform often requires organizations to address vendor lock-in concerns, as reliance on a single platform can pose risks related to data privacy and long-term adaptability to future technologies. For practical engagement, Microsoft provides extensive resources. Potential adopters can explore the comprehensive documentation available on the Microsoft Foundry website. The dev blogs and tech community are also valuable venues for discussions, developer tips, and sharing updates on the latest features and innovations within Foundry. In essence, Microsoft Foundry could very well set a new standard in the AI development platform domain. By offering streamlined workflows and enhanced productivity capabilities, it supports quicker deployment cycles for AI applications and may encourage broader adoption of AI solutions across various industries. Google has recently introduced an innovative leap in AI technology with the integration of multi-token prediction, MTP, into their Gemma 4 model family. This development enables inference speeds up to 3 times faster than previous versions, all while maintaining output quality. Such advancements are crucial for addressing the prevalent memory bandwidth limitations that have traditionally restricted large language models, LLMs. Delving into the technical mechanics, MTP utilizes speculative decoding, a method that allows for the prediction of multiple future tokens simultaneously. This approach effectively mitigates processing bottlenecks and optimizes resource usage, leading to substantial gains in efficiency. By employing parallel token predictions, MTP directly addresses latency issues, ensuring smoother and faster performance across supported applications, which include over 140 languages, a testament to its global adaptability. In terms of numerical insights, MTP's potential to triple inference speed represents a radical shift in language model utility. Such enhancements are poised to significantly benefit applications ranging from interactive chatbots to real-time data analysis tools. By offering increased efficiency, Google positions itself as a leader in the hyper-competitive LLM market, standing against formidable rivals like DeepMind's Phi 4 and Qwen 3. However, this ambitious leap comes with its set of challenges and considerations. The touted performance improvements are contingent upon the specifics of hardware configurations, which means that the actual speed gains may vary across different platforms. To comprehensively assess the true impact of these advancements, extensive real-world validation and independent evaluations are essential. While Google asserts no degradation in quality, there remains skepticism that necessitates further empirical testing. For developers eager to explore these advancements, Google's Gemma 4 models are accessible via the Hugging Face repository. Experimentation and integration into existing systems can offer practical insights into the capabilities of MTP. Additionally, reviewing detailed announcements and accompanying technical documentation available on Google's blog may furnish further understanding and inspiration. In conclusion, the integration of MTP into Google's Gemma 4 models not only showcases their relentless pursuit of innovation, but also sets a precedent for future advancements in language models. As MTP technology matures and independent validations confirm its efficacy, it could substantially redefine industry standards, thus transforming AI-related business applications worldwide. In the realm of cybersecurity, Herd Security is making headlines with its recent $3 million funding success aimed at advancing AI-driven training methods. This funding is set to enhance the organization's pioneering efforts in adaptive learning tailored to evolving cyber threats. What's happening here is a transformation of traditional cybersecurity training into a more dynamic, real-time process. Herd employs adaptive learning technologies to customize training programs, which are continuously updated based on emerging cyber threats, ensuring real-time responsiveness. APIs for integration with existing enterprise security infrastructures are also available, providing seamless adoption and functionality. The significance of this initiative can be seen in the targeted use of the $3 million raise to boost AI capabilities, specifically addressing critical time lags typical of conventional security training approaches. Herd Security emphasizes reducing the time required for employees to achieve proficiency, a crucial factor given the rapid pace at which cyber threats evolve. At the core of Herd Security's strategy is the use of adaptive learning technologies. These methods include simulation-based training and interactive scenarios that evolve with real-time threat intelligence and behavioral data. For instance, if a new phishing technique emerges, the training modules can be swiftly adjusted to simulate these fresh tactics, thus preparing employees more effectively. However, there are debates concerning how impactful AI-driven training methods are in fundamentally changing employee behavior. While the potential for a reduced frequency of security incidents is promising, the long-term efficacy and engagement levels of employees with these automated training systems remain speculative. User engagement is influenced by how relatable and engaging the training modules are, highlighting a crucial area for further refinement. Organizations looking to integrate Herd Security's solutions might begin by exploring HR integration tools that facilitate easy adoption of these training programs. Utilizing analytics can also provide insights into training effectiveness, allowing companies to tailor programs that better fit their workforce's unique needs. In essence, Herd Security's innovative approach could signal a pivotal shift in cybersecurity training strategies, aiming to bridge the widening gap between rapidly evolving threats and traditional security skill development. As more organizations embrace such technologies, we may witness a significant elevation in industry standards and overall security postures, leading potentially to reduced costs associated with security breaches and a strategic advantage in the market. Haik has launched its agentic quantum operating system, HaiquOS, a pioneering full-stack platform designed to accelerate the development of quantum applications. This rollout stands to significantly impact enterprise and scientific research by providing comprehensive tools and runtime orchestration tailored for quantum computing tasks. HaiquOS offers a robust ecosystem that includes AI-driven research agents and developer tools to optimize quantum applications. The runtime orchestration software is aimed at improving execution efficiency, and its hardware-aware architecture promises better resource utilization, which is crucial for quantum computations. These components facilitate seamless integration of complex simulations and models, supporting a wide range of quantum research efforts. The statistics here are nothing short of impressive. Internal tests showed that a molecular dynamics simulation, which once took over 9 hours and incurred a cost of about $30,000, has been drastically reduced to just 30 seconds with an expenditure of approximately $25. This staggering increase in efficiency, over 99% cost savings, and a reduction in processing time highlights the revolutionary potential of HaiquOS in driving quantum technology adoption across various industries like pharmaceuticals, finance, and materials science. This transformative capability is underlined by the $11 million hike raised in their seed round in January 2026, providing the financial push to realize their ambitious project. However, the real-world application scalability of HaiquOS is as yet untested, raising questions about its adaptability across different quantum hardware platforms. Moreover, while initial internal performance metrics are promising, extensive evaluation against real-world enterprise applications remains necessary to ensure reliability and practicality. Haik has strategically invited companies such as Capgemini and Deloitte to gain early access, which could play a pivotal role in shaping the platform's early feedback and iterative improvements. For enterprises and developers eager to explore these cutting-edge capabilities, visiting Haik's official site can provide essential insights. Their demo projects and case studies offer a closer examination of the platform's potential applications and operational efficiency. Ultimately, while there remain uncertainties, particularly concerning the platform's ability to integrate with existing enterprise systems, HaiquOS holds the promise of becoming a game-changer in quantum application development. If successful, it could significantly lower entry barriers, enhance cost efficiency, and catalyze innovation in quantum R&D, potentially heralding a new era of discovery across various scientific domains. Mistral AI recently unveiled Voxtral TTS, a groundbreaking text-to-speech model poised to redefine expressivity and authenticity in multilingual voice cloning. At its core, Voxtral combines innovative autoregressive techniques with flow-matching approaches, enabling it to produce natural, emotion-infused speech from just 2 to 3 seconds of reference audio. The model's hybrid architecture capitalizes on autoregressive generation for semantic token prediction while employing flow-matching for acoustic waveform generation. This allows Voxtral to deliver remarkably expressive voice outputs, effectively supporting 9 languages, including English, Spanish, and Hindi. With a substantial parameter count of 4 billion, the model is designed to manage a vast space of linguistic and emotional nuances. Remarkably, Voxtral has achieved a win rate of 68.4% in human evaluations, outperforming the prominent 11 Labs Flash v2.5 model. This competitive edge is further bolstered by its ultra-low time-to-first audio latency of just 70 milliseconds for a typical 10-second input. The model's ability to support real-time applications is particularly beneficial in scenarios where emotional expressivity is crucial, such as virtual assistants and interactive educational tools. However, challenges remain with respect to the generalization of expressivity across different languages and emotional contexts. While Voxtral demonstrates increased expressivity, its performance in handling nuanced speaking styles in varied environments is still under exploration. Moreover, the computational demands of maintaining low latency could pose a challenge for smaller enterprises seeking to leverage this technology without the infrastructure for extensive resource allocation. To fully explore Voxtral's potential, Mistral AI has provided comprehensive documentation and API access through their online platforms. Developers can test and experiment with Voxtral's capabilities, paving the way for innovations in domains like customer service and personalized virtual environments. In essence, Voxtral TTS is not merely an incremental improvement, but a transformative step toward more lifelike and immersive voice interaction technologies, potentially setting new standards for expressivity and authenticity in the artificial intelligence landscape. As the technology evolves, its impact could extend to setting ethical considerations and redefining multilingual communication in tech applications. Inworld AI has launched an innovative voice model, Realtime TTS2, pushing the limits of conversational AI through real-time processing that adapts to user emotions and vocal nuances. This marks a significant leap in achieving natural and engaging interactions. Real-time TTS2 elevates conversational dynamics by processing not just text, but the full audio context to interpret user emotions and pacing. This approach surpasses traditional TTS models that rely solely on text, bringing conversational AI closer to human-like interactions. With support for over 100 languages and on-the-fly switching, it ensures fluid, consistent voice continuity, crucial for sustaining immersive dialogues across diverse user interactions. In technical terms, the system utilizes advanced algorithms to adapt voice output in real time based on audio cues. A sub-200 millisecond median latency for time to first audio output ensures responses are near instantaneous, a feature particularly advantageous for customer service departments and interactive applications where speed and reliability are critical. However, operating at peak efficiency requires optimal network conditions. Network variability might impact performance, particularly in computationally demanding scenarios involving numerous language switches or complex audio interactions. This necessitates careful deployment strategy and might involve empirical testing to gauge latency and voice adaptation accuracy under varied conditions. Developers are encouraged to interact with this technology using the Inworld API, testing not only the latency, but its language switching prowess. Hands-on trials could involve integrating real-time TTS2 into existing applications, observing its performance across different network environments, and analyzing its adaptation to emotional and tonal variations in users' voices. Despite its innovative capabilities, the model faces challenges in maintaining quality across all supported languages and real-time scenarios. Variability in emotional recognition accuracy linked to diverse voice inputs remains a potential uncertainty, pointing to a broader need for ongoing refinement and culture-specific tuning. Ultimately, real-time TTS2 could redefine the user engagement paradigm within AI applications, from enterprise solutions to interactive gaming. By enabling applications to respond more naturally, it paves the way for more personalized user experiences, potentially setting new standards in the field of voice-driven AI technologies. This advancement not only underscores the role of emotional intelligence in artificial interactions, but may also drive competitive innovation across the industry. German startup eleQtron has secured €57 million in Series A funding, marking a significant milestone in European quantum computing. This funding not only bolsters their trapped ion processing technology, but also positions eleQtron as a major player in the growing quantum sector. At the core of eleQtron's technology lies the magnetic gradient-induced coupling approach, which allows precise control over qubits using microwaves. This method sets them apart from competitors who rely on more complex laser systems, offering a more integrated, data center-friendly solution. By utilizing microwaves, eleQtron can achieve scalable and compact quantum systems that fit into existing data infrastructures, aligning with the practical needs of enterprises. The $57 million infusion will be channeled into scaling production and enhancing cloud access to quantum resources, supported by existing €54 million worth of contracts, which highlight a strong interest in their offerings. This shows a credible demand for their trapped ion quantum processors, emphasizing their potential impact on sectors such as materials simulation and optimization. Nonetheless, the path to commercial success is paved with challenges. Scalability remains a critical hurdle. eleQtron must ensure their systems can operate consistently at large scales without degradation of performance. Additionally, the competitive landscape of quantum technology presents pressures to maintain technological edge and innovation speed. Technical progression is tied closely to how the magic technology will evolve and prove its effectiveness in real-world applications. The success of these initiatives heavily depends on overcoming the barriers associated with transitioning from experimental models to fully functional commercial applications. For those interested in this burgeoning technology, following eleQtron's advancements and exploring potential applications in enterprise environments would prove insightful. The company's focus on integrating quantum computing into cloud services will be key in enhancing accessibility and lowering the barriers to entry for various industries looking to leverage quantum advantages. In sum, eleQtron's funding indicates a promising future for quantum computing in Europe. potentially revolutionizing how industries approach complex computational problems. As quantum technology continues to mature, the investment in eleQtron could catalyze further advancements and encourage broader adoption across different sectors, ultimately transforming business operations and computational approaches. The legal industry was rocked when Latham and Watkins experienced a high-profile incident involving the misuse of Anthropic's AI, Claude, during a copyright lawsuit. This event has ignited crucial discussions around AI governance and accountability in legal contexts. In May 2025, Latham and Watkins incorporated Claude to assist in legal documentation. However, the AI produced a fictitious citation, coined a hallucination, which was inadvertently included in court filings. This incident underscores the vital need for stringent verification of AI-generated content. Claude is powered by complex deep learning neural networks designed for text generation. While this technology offers efficiency, it is not infallible. The emergence of such hallucinations reveals vulnerabilities in AI reliability, demanding enhanced oversight. From a technical standpoint, AI models like Claude rely heavily on user-provided context, which can be misinterpreted, leading to inaccuracies. Integrating these models with existing legal software could streamline the formatting process, yet the necessity for solid reliability mechanisms remains critical to validate outputs robustly. The stakes are high, with potential liability from AI inaccuracies impacting law firms financially, possibly reaching millions in lost cases and settlements. Therefore, the emphasis is increasingly placed on defining the boundaries of attorney liability concerning AI misuse. A 100% certainty exists, as evidenced by attorney Ivana Dekanovich's acknowledgement that AI was the sole contributor to the error. In response, legal professionals are urged to develop oversight protocols. Deloitte suggests training sessions that teach law staff to scrutinize AI outputs thoroughly, decreasing dependency on AI's autonomous capabilities. Detailed understanding through AI interpretability reports can significantly enhance content reliability and reduce similar risks. However, these measures do come with trade-offs. Strict oversight could decelerate processes traditionally expedited by AI, affecting efficiency in practice. Discussions around balancing automation with necessary human judgment remain pivotal. Historical reliance on paralegal and human assistance for managing citations is shifting, necessitating AI integration. This raises critical questions about current regulatory frameworks' sufficiency and the need for new policies to ensure AI's safe deployment in high-stakes legal environments. The Latham and Watkins case exemplifies potential precedents in legal AI governance, pushing for reinforced training and verification processes. Continued scrutiny of the authenticity and accuracy of AI tools is expected, along with the legal sector's increased investment in upskilling staff on technological nuances. Ultimately, the industry is at a crossroads. Further incidents like this could catalyze industry-wide regulatory changes, ensuring that AI in law operates under stringent controls, with human oversight designed to counteract the AI's propensity for errors, thus safeguarding the integrity of legal proceedings. IBM has raised alarms concerning the data governance risks emerging from widespread adoption of generative AI technologies. As these tools become more integrated into business operations, traditional data governance models are proving inadequate. The nature of generative AI involves processing vast amounts of unstructured data, such as text, images, and audio, which introduce complexities beyond the capabilities of existing security frameworks. IBM's concerns revolve around how data is accessed, shared, and exposed, rather than focusing solely on infrastructure or identity management. With 67% of UK firms unable to track employee interactions with AI tools, and 35% of employees using unauthorized external platforms, the risks associated with data exposure are becoming increasingly apparent. Furthermore, Gartner projects that by 2030, 40% of enterprises will experience data breaches due to shadow AI, highlighting the substantial threat this technology poses if left unchecked. To address these challenges, IBM is advocating for a shift to a data-centric security model. This transition involves enhancing data classification processes, increasing the monitoring of data access and usage, and enforcing least privilege access policies for data handling. A critical component of this strategy is IBM's watsonx.governance solution, introduced in November 2023, which aims to help organizations manage AI responsibly, ensure compliance, and build trust. However, transitioning to a data-centric model comes with its own set of challenges. Retrofitting legacy systems for new data governance practices can be resource-intensive, requiring significant investment in time and technology. Yet, despite these trade-offs, the pressing threat from shadow AI and the unauthorized use of AI tools necessitates urgent action. Practically, organizations should begin by drafting clear and robust data usage policies and communicating these effectively among employees. Enhancing data classification and monitoring strategies to track AI interactions closely should be a priority. Additionally, enterprises should not shy away from adopting technologies that can integrate security considerations into their AI adoption strategies, safeguarding against data breaches and ensuring compliance. IBM's warning serves as a crucial reminder that as generative AI continues to embed itself into the core of business processes, rethinking data governance strategies becomes imperative. By strengthening data management practices and adopting new security models, organizations can better protect themselves from potential breaches and meet the evolving demands of AI-driven business environments. That wraps up today's deep dive into the cutting edge of AI development and governance. We've seen how companies like Microsoft and Google are pushing the boundaries of AI, and how governance remains a pivotal aspect as technology integrates deeper into our lives. Keep an eye on these developments, as they could redefine our interactions with technology. Thank you for joining us on Daily AI Brief. See you next time.